Hello to everybody! Today we are going to present a fully parametric model of Liebherr Luffing Jib crane, designed by BIMservice team. This model was developed according to manufacturer catalog and contains all information and parameters for convenient use in the BIM process, from the planning and coordination of the construction site to creation of presentation materials. Let's load this family in the default project for the demo. This component contains family type catalog, so you can easily choose required family type. For this presentation, I'm going to choose several family types. Now click OK. Because this model was created based on generic model template, you can easily find it in the corresponding tab. Let's create one of them in the project. Here we are. This crane was designed in Autodesk Revit Family Editor. Our model has different level of detail that makes it easily to use. So visual representation of this model can be easily changed according to the view template or your special needs. Let's leave the most detailed representation of the model for our presentation. This model contains a specific list of adjustable parameters. Take a look at the number of sections in the tower. Number of the section are limited by the manufacturer. For example, maximum number of them is 8 for this type of Luffing Jib crane. We can make this value less than 8, but if you set a value greater than 8, it will be limited automatically, and the number of sections will not exceed 8. Let's go back to our maximum number of sections. Now you can see that nothing has changed in appearance. The next parameter is the chip angle. It's also limited by the manufacturer in the range of 15 to 70 degrees. That's why when we set in the 70 degrees value, everything works. And when it's larger than 70 degrees, let's take any number, for example 90 degrees, we can see that it is limited automatically by 70 degree value. Let's go back to 15 degrees chip angle. Next parameter that can be changed from the project environment is the height of the hook block. One more parameter is the gear platform rotation. You can change it to angle that you need. Let's make it, for example, 70 degrees. Now you can see that the gear platform is turned. One of the general graphic parameters are carrying capacity zones. These zones was created according to manufacturer catalog and they show us maximum carrying capacity for the boom. The capacity depends on jib angle and bottom hook block type. As you can see, carrying capacity zones was designed with a step 2.5 meters width, and each section height corresponds to maximum load in kilograms for current jib type. There is different carrying capacity zones for each crane type. The visibility of these zones can be easily turned off or turned on depending on your needs. So let's go further through the parameters. This model also contains information about manufacturer, crane name according to the manufacturer specification, contact information, assembly code and Omni class. This model also contains list of copy parameters that can be filled during operation with the model. You can find it in the general folder. Going further, let's focus on the technical data of our model. First from all parameters is the tower height. This parameter corresponds with the manufacturer catalog and depends on number of sections for each separate tower crane. changing number of sections in tower, we can see that the tower height value automatically recalculate. The next parameters are the overall dimensions of tower sections and engine power for the sloping drive unit. These parameters are constant and created according to manufacturer catalog. One more constant value created with the manufacturer specification document is platform rotation speed. Also, you can see parameter that describes crane operation height. This value recalculates automatically based on the jib type, tower height and jib angle. So let's check it. For example, we can change the boom angle and look how it will affect on the operation height parameter. The next parameter is the minimum radius of the area while crane is in operative position. Another parameter is the maximum working height. This parameter is calculated based on the crane type and the maximum jib angle. Further, there are parameters of maximum luffing speed and the possible luffing speed with a maximum load. This parameter depends on bottom hook block type and power of electric drive that was installed. Also, lowering depth of hook automatically calculates depending on bottom hook block type. Let's choose crane type with another hook block. And we can see that lowering depths of hook were calculated automatically according to the manufacturer catalog. Also, there is specification from the manufacturer. Lifting capacities valid up to 100 meter hosting height. Over 100 meters hosting height, the lifting capacity is reduced by the additional rope width. The following parameters are maximum load with minimum and maximum working radius, which corresponds to the selected type of crane and hook block type. For example, we can change the crane type, and now we see that parameters also changed. Next parameter is the jib luffing speed from minimum to maximum angle. After it is maximum length of cable. This parameter is constant per manufacturer details. The last parameter in this group is full weight of the crane. This parameter will recalculate automatically based on the crane specification. For example, you can change number of sections, full weight value will be recalculated. In the group of others, you can find information about the company BIMservice, developer of this model, our contact details, date and version of the model development. We are finishing the representation of Liebherr Luffing Jib crane model. Our model you can easily download for free, just follow the link in the description box below. If you have any question, we will be happy to help you and answer all of them. Please write them in the comments below or to our email. See you next time, bye!